Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be turning these old jeans into a skirt. This is so quick and easy, it took me about 10 minutes to make. So let's get into it. First, while wearing the jeans, I decided how long I wanted my skirt to be. I chose 16 inches, but yours doesn't need to be the same. Next, I folded the jeans in half and marked 16 inches down from the waist. I then used this as a guide to create a straight line across the jeans. Then I cut across the line, unfolded the jeans and cut along the inside seams of the legs. Creating something that looks like this. Then turning this inside out and laying it flat, side seam facing up, I marked where the new front and back seams would be. Once I'd done this, I pinned along where I'd marked to hold the fabric in place. Then sewed where I'd pinned. Well, if someone would let me get to my machine. I then cut off the excess fabric and decided to leave my skirt with a raw hem, but you can hem yours if you wanted a neater look. This is the finished skirt. It is so easy to make and a good project for upcycling old clothes, even for beginners. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.